In this video, you will see how to put a border line across whole page in Word document. As you can see, I have added a nice border around the page. It's very easy. To add border, first you need to click here on the design tab, and at the right hand side you will see the option of page border. Click on this border and shading option, and then you need to click on page border tab. Right now under the setting, the selected option is none, that means no border. You can see the preview here. To add a border, you need to select the option box, and here you can see different styles of border. You can select them by just clicking on it, and you can see the preview. For this tutorial, I am selecting solid border, and you can also choose the color of the border. So let's say I am selecting here blue color, and we can see the preview. We can also see the thickness of the border preview here, and then select the appropriate thickness. If you want to add shadow to this border, you can go to the shadow, and as you can see here, a black shadow has been applied. Once our selections are done, just click on OK, and that's how you can put a border line across whole page in Word document, which will also appear on the preceding pages in the Word document. Click on that like button, comment below, and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.